If your Amazon Fire tablet is getting slow, do not factory reset it yet. We are going fix by fix. I will name the fix first. Then when a setting is needed, I will show the exact taps to get there. I will leave each screen up for a moment, so you can pause and follow along on your tablet. I am using the current Fire OS 8 settings paths. If your Fire tablet is older, the wording may be slightly different. For example, you might see apps and games instead of apps and notifications, or one menu may be one level deeper. If the name is not exact, look for the closest matching setting. Fix 1 is a clean restart. Hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart. If your tablet only shows power off, tap Power Off instead. Wait about 10 seconds. Then press the power button again to turn the tablet back on. This clears stuck apps before you start changing settings. Now open Settings for the next fixes. Swipe down from the top edge of the screen. If you only see a small quick settings panel, swipe down one more time. Tap the gear icon. You should now be inside the main settings app. Fix 2 is the Fire OS update. Open Settings. Tap Device Options. Tap System Updates. On that screen, tap Check Now or Update if you see it. Keep the tablet charged and connected to Wi-Fi while the update runs. Fix 3 is reducing home screen clutter. Open Settings. Tap Apps and Notifications. Tap Amazon App Settings. Tap Home Screens. On the Home Screens page, turn off recommendation rows, recent items, continue rows, or new item sections you do not actually use. The exact names may vary, but the goal is less stuff loading on the home screen. Fix 4 is Notifications. Open Settings. Tap Apps and Notifications. Tap Notifications. Tap App Notifications. Now turn off alerts from games, shopping apps, streaming apps, or anything that does not need to interrupt you. Keep important alerts on. Fix 5 is Cache and Storage. Open Settings. Tap Apps and Notifications. Tap Manage All Applications. Choose an app that feels slow like Silk Browser, YouTube, Facebook, or a game. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage unless you are okay signing back in and losing app data. After that, go back to Settings, tap Storage, and use the Files app to clean out old downloads, videos, screenshots, and documents. If your Fire tablet has a microSD card slot, use it for media. Open Settings. Tap Storage. Tap SD card. Use the card for photos, videos, music, and downloads first. If your tablet offers an option to move supported apps, you can try it, but not every app can move. Fix 6 is removing apps you forgot about. Open Settings. Tap Apps and Notifications. Tap Manage All Applications. Change the filter to show all apps if needed. Tap an app you never use. Tap Uninstall. If Uninstall is missing, leave it alone because it is probably a system app. The advanced speed trick is Animation Scale. Open Settings. Tap Device Options. Tap About Fire Tablet. Tap serial number 7 times until Developer Options turns on. Go back to Device Options. Tap Developer Options. Find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Set each one to 0.5x. Do not change random developer settings. Then check the basics. Open Settings. Tap Display. Tap Screen Timeout. Choose something reasonable like 2 or 5 minutes. Swipe down from the top and lower the brightness if the screen is always very bright. Also use a decent charger and a good USB-C cable. After each section, test the tablet. Open the app that felt slow. Go back home. Open Silk. Try a video app. If it still crawls after updates, cleanup, animation changes, and a restart, then upgrade Smart. Fire HD 10 for value, Fire Max 11 for more screen, or a regular Android tablet if you want Google Play and fewer Fire OS limits.